In the first section, we're going to look at the different menus that you've got, and tools and tabs, and see what each of them gives you and how to use that. So let's start straight away with the tabs, which are located here on the left side of the screen. You can see them over here. So the top one simply gives you a view of your pages. That's the pages in my presentation that I'm sharing you, which is also done on the Smart Notebook software. The second one is the gallery one. That's this one here, and that's probably the one that you're going to use the most because it contains all the preset activities, interactive elements, pictures, and so on that are included in the software. And you can browse through it, but you can also just look for things. For example, I typed here water cycle, and it gives a bunch of answers back. And each of those elements, if you choose to use them, you can simply drag it into your work, and there we go. And that's a beginning for a presentation I might want to make. I'm going to back up here. The paperclip, as in any other software, is for attaching hyperlinks to websites or attaching shortcuts. The A with the lines underneath and the colors, that's the properties, and that's where you change the properties of an object, like the colors, the thickness, and so on. So, for example, if I select this heading, for example, and I click properties, I can then change the style of the letters, maybe give it a color or the fill effect. I can play around with that, see what it does. And don't worry about the page animation so much. You can change the font and so on and so forth. And do this. There we go. And the last part is the activity builder, which we are going to look at in more detail at a later time.